kaunti ya Kisii Daktari Robert Monda nigo enyorete ase ensanano enene na mumuro mwabo Ruben Monda igoro yogotwa kwemete ase ensemo ya kerera
Yukuna lugote kurura ritoka mahata abantu barunga yomwa abu mahata muone lero na ndia ya tasumwa dura polisi ya na sumu haka na juice
ni gatite mwayo muroyo mwabo Ruben Monda kogenda kuna chimeta sense meyo ase agotebuna atabukerete abantu abange abasigari abayiga be serikali nabo yigo abasigari be county bagocha kumusagana na kumira bakigeta seni yego taseni kya keumbu.
Kindly pause the clip. What is your understanding of that video, Bwana Director?
Honorable Speaker, I can see this first person here, and there's a reporter. The person at the revision is not talking about enforcement officers or county staff. The person who is talking about enforcement officers is the narrator of the story. Okay. That the complainant is complaining about his arrest using police officers and enforcement officers.
Now, thank you, Bwana David. This clip was interpreted yesterday, and I invite the House to also have a look at it independently. Now, I want to cede my few minutes to Mr. Mutuma to guide you through. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Just hold on, Council. What is your intervention, Senator Kathuri?
Honorable Speaker, because I'm participating in these matters and judge in this quasi-judicial court. Yesterday, we were privileged to get a very good interpreter who was neutral, and he could interpret the language nicely. I am not aware why he is not available today, because I want to trust an independent interpreter and a professional who can give us the right message, so that also as we make our determination, I can be able to say this is what was spoken in Kisii language, Honorable Speaker.
Very well.
Mr. Speaker, sir, if I may, I think our worry was that...
just pause, yes. Council. Council, we would wish to be guided by an independent interpreter on the content of that video, not to the understanding of your witness.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Our worry was that the interpreter, the very specific one who came yesterday, misrepresented the version. So if we can have a different one, that would be most obliged, because we seem to be having two different versions of the same story.
I'm informed we had two interpreters yesterday. Can we have the second one to interpret this video for the honorable senators, please? And then your witness can put it in context. So, Council, let me just get you correctly. Are you saying that the interpreter who interpreted this video yesterday did not interpret it correctly?
Indeed, indeed, Mr. Speaker, sir.
According to who?
According to the people well versed with the Gusii language, that was the indication. But perhaps we can hear from another source if they will stick to the very version of the other interpreter.
Now, Council, allow the video to play, and then let us get the interpretation. Thereafter, you may take on your. But yes, Council for Deputy Governor.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, sir. We have an objection to that, Mr. Speaker, sir. And our objection is in the sense that we will be going in circles. You will recall, Mr. Speaker, sir, that the interpreter did an interpretation initially. Objections were raised by members of the Senate saying that interpretation was not correct. The interpreter was then given a second chance to interpret, and the whole process went to the end. The honorable members who had raised an objection and who understood Kisi did not raise an objection, neither the